In this video, I will guide you on how to use the Disney Bundle with ESPN Plus. First, open your web browser. Now search for ESPN Plus Disney Bundle. Go ahead and click on this website right here. From here, choose the Disney Bundle plan that includes Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and if available, Hulu. Next, you want to click on the sign up option and create your account. Once you have created your account, enter your payment method and make sure your subscription is active. Now you can download and open the ESPN app on your device. Now sign in using the same account. After signing in, your ESPN Plus benefit will be linked automatically. You can now browse the ESPN Plus tab to watch live sports, exclusive shows, original content, replays, and other ESPN Plus programming included with your subscription. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.